Guys, welcome back. Hope you're making money out there. I got a quick video here for the degens, the real degens that want to make easy money. This miner supposedly can make 800% on your money. We're going to find out if it actually does that because I'm holding this miner myself. Smash that like button. We're going to get right into this. I'm going to say, should you buy it? Shouldn't you buy it? How long will it last? How long will it take you to get your money back on your investment, basically? I mean, that's what we want to get into. That's what we want to know with this bad boy right here. I'll make my face small. We're going to dive right in. What I've got for you guys today, it's called SolMiner, solminer.app. So this is another one of those Solana miner projects. This is the second one that I've dove into so far this cycle. I like getting into these since it's early enough in the cycle that maybe they'll actually survive. At the end of the day, what you need with these is you need this TVL to stay up. Once this TVL starts declining, the miner, it's too late to get into the miner at that point. But what I've noticed about this miner is this one just came out about 3 or 4 days ago. This one came out, and I got into this one when it first came out, and it only had about 60,000 total value locked. I'm noticing about every day this TVL goes up another 100 Solana or another $10,000 or so. It's a very good sign. If it starts to gain more traction over time, such as guys like you buying into it, the more people, it's kind of like pyramid scheming, but if you're in early, you make more money. So you guys are sort of getting in early. This one can probably, like the banana miner went to like almost 4 million TVL. So the fact that this one's mega small like this, and it also has a lower daily income, so it's probably going to not shed cash as fast. So basically, guys, you guys are going to make 2.2% daily income, but we're looking at 800% APR. Now, I don't think that this is accurate, this 2.2%. You know why? Because it looks like I'm making about $9 a day on one of my sets. I have two separate miner accounts, two separate wallets. One of them with 200, I have two of them. They're worth $400 together. $200 is yielding me $9 a day. So $200 times $9 a day. Let's pull it up on a calculator because that's seeming like it's more like 5% on your money. Actually, it wasn't $200. It's 190 divided by 190 divided by 9, right? 190 divided by 9. That's looking like it's going to take you about 3 weeks to get all your money back if you did not refer this to your buddies. This, like I said, it's pyramid scheming. So you're going to get an 8% bonus to refer your buddies. If you've got any buddies that want to join up on this, you guys can kind of get your money back sooner. And if you're in the miner, like I'm in the miner, you could be like, hey, I'm in this miner. I'm making money off of this thing. Get your buddies into it. So it is a great opportunity if you guys are trying to make some easy cheddar. Like I said, it's very risky. This is a degen style project. So be prepared to lose all of the money if you wait too long on this. Obviously, you want this TVL to stay high. Soon, I'm expecting this TVL to go over 100K. Basically, the way that this works is everybody puts their Solana into this, and then the people that have miners are pulling the Solana back out, right? Little by little. So what you need is more Solana going in than more Solana coming out. The fact that it's so early on, meaning there's not a lot of people pulling Solana out. The fact that it's early on means there's more people to put Solana in. So if you see this video soon, then it may be still a good move to get into this. And this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But if you're looking to make 800% APR, and who knows, this thing might last 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. We have a 400-day bull market ahead of us. If this thing, there's YouTubers talking about this. I saw 2 YouTubers mention this project already. As long as there's people putting money in, this thing will survive. So if you secure your miners early, secure your miners now. I'm not saying put 1,000 in, but if you put 1,000 in and this thing lasts all year and you're getting your 2.2% daily or whatever, it takes 21 days to get your money back. You're talking that everything after that is all profit. You're getting all profit after that, guys. So do keep that in mind, that this is a way to get into the quote-unquote DeFi mining industry here with crypto. This one at 800% APR, I think that it's safer. It's safer because Banana Miner was like 2,300%. And Banana Miner went down quicker. 800% is more sustainable, and as long as more people are putting money in faster than that, the 2.2%, I mean, like, that's not a lot coming back out every day. I would think that this thing can survive. I would think that it can make it. So I'm going to put my link down below for you guys. If you guys want to, please use my link to sign up with this, because as you guys know, that helps me support the channel here. They're going to throw me an extra couple little Solana. But by the way, that's not why I'm showing you guys this. I'm showing you guys this because I'm personally invested in this. I have this. I have it set up. It's just I have the wallets on my other computer, so I'm not signed into the wallet right now. This is my brand new computer. I haven't moved that stuff over. I'm running two computers side by side right now. But yes, I would not add any more money myself to this one because I've already got 400 in it. That's about my risk tolerance for this. Only go with your risk tolerance, because you do know that if you're in late, you're not going to get all your money back. But already, I've only been in 3 days, and I've already gotten about, about 30%. I've gotten about 30% of my money back already, guys. And I've only been in for 3 days. So that's pretty good. It's pretty good. And I don't know how that's happening. It's like miscalculating or something. But when I log in each day, there's like 0.9 Solana, which is $9, right? Yeah. Yeah. So I'm basically getting $9 a day off of each one of these, which is great. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it here for you guys. Smash the like button if you got some value. Definitely click this link if you guys decide to get into the SolMiner here. Like I said, I wouldn't put too much in this. I only put 4 Sol in. I wouldn't put more than your risk tolerance. If your risk tolerance is 5, obviously the more money you put in, the more Solana you're going to get back every single day, guys. So if I'm getting $18 worth of Sol a day off of $400, and you put $1,200, you're going to get probably about $50 a day worth of Sol. That's the math that I would use, right? So if you put in $1,200, you're probably going to get about $50 a day back. So take that with what you will. $1,200 would probably bring you about that, right? So, but I'm not saying put $1,200 in. So do what you will with it. I'm going to leave it here for you guys. Smash that like button. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care and have a nice day.